So in the last few days, OpenAI has released multimodal functionality for its app ecosystem, and this is super exciting stuff. No longer are you going to be limited to text input to text output. Now you can input images. You should be able to interact with the app purely with your voice, such that you have more of an interrogatory with it. Imagine nudging along the output. You're doing a script, for example, for something like this, and nudging the AI towards this sort of output that you're looking for verbally, as opposed to having to go back in and continue to add text instructions. Or sort of a fun example that's floating around, snap a quick photo of a math problem and be able to solve it. Snap a photo of a flowchart and be able to create that flowchart in graphics in a matter of seconds. Or how about snap a photo of a refrigerator, have it identify all of the products that are in the refrigerator, and create recipes based on those products. Or a website. How awesome is that? And this actually gets cooler than that, because if you were to put a sample website in, a design that you like, and then verbally or by text create instructions for how you want your website to differ, or even do a layout on a napkin such that it's taking the basic theme of the website that you like and it's applying structural elements based on stick figures on a napkin, it can start iterating on that. And this gets to one of the next developments that we're going to see in GPT and all of the LLMs, which is auto GPT, which is this idea of creating feedback loops within the system such that it's looking for the ideal end result. And now, since it can interpret the image that it's looking for, essentially it can create its own prompts to nudge the code interpreter functionality within the app to a point where you can get to the final product that it believes you're looking at or looking for. So this is just one step further forward to not AGI, I'm not that guy who's going to talk about that off the bat, but a truly useful assistant that can actually work from an end result and iterate with its own set of instructions to get there. So super neat stuff. It is only available to Plus subscribers, and it's rolling out on a per user basis over the next couple of weeks. You can find it up in settings in the iOS app, or I assume the Android app as well, to enable it, but it won't appear there until you're part of that considered set. Anyway, super exciting. I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of neat stuff coming from this.